I don't want to look foolish if this idea doesn't work out. Hey, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And I hear this from time to time, and it's human nature not to want to seem foolish or make a big mistake and basically have to hang your head that you've been a failure. The thing is, the history shows that we as a society, and even from a commercial standpoint, reward those that try and try again, even if that comes with taking that sort of hit to your ego in between as you climb that way up through those multiple successes, or multiple failures, I should say. And the truth is that, yeah, you'll probably end up failing, but the thing is, you won't look foolish as long as you try. You try your best. So I think indecision or worry about what things might look like if you give it a try and fail, fear in that way can really be paralyzing. And so I want to encourage you to think about some of these founders. I'm going to give some examples and try to think about putting yourself in their shoes. Two co-founders, Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia. Probably heard of them. Airbnb, yeah, multi-billion-dollar travel company. It started out, in fact, if you haven't heard this story before, the air part was they first started out renting out their apartment with an air mattress, and they were laughed at. They thought it was ridiculous. Their friends said, "Oh, this is never going to work. That's hilarious. Is this a joke?" Of course, as you know, they stuck with it. They were laughed at, even ridiculed, and thought, "Is it even legal?" They kept going, and as you know, they built this empire, Airbnb. Another example, Reed Hastings, the founder of Netflix, was mailing DVDs. These, at the time, quite valuable discs, mailing them in the U.S. mail. And companies like Blockbuster, which we all know inevitably failed and lost to Netflix, didn't even see that it was a real opportunity. They basically dismissed it as a gimmick. And eventually Netflix became what they are today, of course, transitioning from the physical DVDs to streaming television, streaming movies, and being a multi-billion-dollar company. So don't let the potential ridicule, the potential feeling foolish hold you back. You've got to take a swing. I know that regret would feel even worse. So take that first step. Let us here at Bold Patents help you book a free discovery call to talk about that idea. And we'll help you think about whether it's a foolish step or not. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.